we're here in Dubai Marina Mall. We chose this place because of this view.
الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing. المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي إكسبو 2020. المحطة القادمة هي برج خليفة دبي مول.
Finally, Pearl Marina Hotel Apartment. Say hi! And these are the luggages.
Social guys na madam. Uy, sila madam. Mga turist. Sila malita. Asa malita ninyo? Tayo sa Jawa. Beach.
Let's start with the kitchen. This is the kitchen. We do have the sink. We have the electric stove, we have the oven, and water here. We have plates, glasses. We have this bowl, trash bin. We have the fridge. We have the utensils. And here will be our cabinets. Jeez, nakalimot kong dalag hanger. Okay, there's hanger here, weighing scale, the bolt. And we have a mini table. They have a mini of this, a TV, they have this bed, and this is the washroom. This is their comfort room. This is, so they have separator. We have tried the Signature Hotel Apartment, and before they have a bathtub, but that was a one room. But this one is a studio type, so that's why. And they are providing. Hi. They have a blower. Ma, nadit sila yung blower, ma. Blower, and they have this. Okay. They have this. Okay. So they have a shower, rain shower, and let's go to the second room. Come follow. O, ikay to, sud pa. Sulod dali. Ay, sulod. Imura itaprat niya. Abli na. Okay. For the second room.
Okay, card.
Usarap po diba? First, on the right is the washroom. And for the bittoms, dako bita. Oh, ilis na kwarto, bi. Kaya para makalaag si Aiden. Oh, ari lang na. Yehey, bita. Ang arrangement bita. So they have this bed and this is the space.
Arito mga ako?
Oh, dito mga ano.
Oh, basta ko lang.
And sink. And they have the space. They have. So this room is bigger than the other one. And we're settling down. Kumakain na kami for lunch because time check, it's around 1:30. 1:30 and ang maliit, 1:30 ang saya niya. Okay? At dahil 1:30 na, prepared kami. Thank you, Mother, for the cooking. We have humba. We have this chicken. Anong ulo to? Basta. Sarap yan. And we have the pancit. And this one, rice. We have watermelon. We have watermelon and banana. Okay. Let's eat. Hi mga bay! Officially, this will be our day 1. When we arrive, it's around 1:30. And then, syempre, needed matulog yung baby. Kaya natulog kami. Nagising kami zero mga 5 na 1 hour preparation. Time check, it's around 6 p.m. Kaya here we go. Our first agenda will be walking. Our first agenda will be walking in Dubai Marina. And after, mag-dinner kami sa labas. Aiden! Oh, bye-bye sabi. Bye-bye. Welcome to Dubai Marina.
Water, baby.